Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to allow automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. It may be quite strange for you, but no worries. All we have to do is to simply find the build number, which will actually open the developer options. So let's tap on it, on the build number, and until you see that you're in the developer mode we can go back. Now let's enter this system and enter developer options, and here basically just scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. All you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, which means that your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really need to do anything manually from this moment. Just remember about restarting your device. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.